Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Nori from Bali Montour Travel. Today I will be your tour guide. So, if I mention about Bali, what do you think? Beautiful? Wonderful? Unique or exotic island? Yep, you're right. Bali is a beautiful island and the most famous of Indonesian tourism in the world. It owns panorama and unique culture that make this island exclusive than others. Bali is a perfect tourist destination to enjoy the holiday with your family. Well, there is one village that is often used as mainstay of visitors when vacationing on the island of the gods. It's called Penglipuran Village. So, today we're going to visit Penglipuran Village. Welcome to Penglipuran Village. Ladies and gentlemen, this village is open to public, and before you go inside, I would like to inform you about the price of the entrance ticket. So, for international visitors, adult is 50,000 Indonesian rupiah and child is 30,000 Indonesian rupiah. For domestic tourists, adult is 25,000 Indonesian rupiah and child 50,000 Indonesian rupiah. So now we go inside and please follow me. Ladies and gentlemen, Penglipuran Village is one of the traditional and unique village of Bangli Regency, Bali Province. This village is famous as one of the tourist destination because of its people who still carry out and preserve the traditional Balinese culture in their daily lives. And for the information, Penglipuran is the one cleanest village in the world according to the Green Destination. It's so amazing, right? It's not only famous for its clean lines, but it's also famous for its strong culture, traditional architecture, and harmony life based on Trihita Karana philosophy, which means the balance between humans, nature, and God. Ladies and gentlemen, now we are in the middle of village pathway, and there are two spots that we can visit. They are Karang Memadu and Bamboo Forest. But how about you going to Karang Memadu first? So let's go, follow me please. Ladies and gentlemen, now we are in Karang Memadu. So, Karang Memadu is used to excommunicate a man who does polygamy for the regulation and tradition of village strictly forbid polygamy. There is no house in Karang Memadu area, and you will only find karang or coral, rocks, and a small garden toward the area. Ladies and gentlemen, you can also find another uniqueness that you can be seen from the design of the houses. Each house have the same gate, a small temple, roof, and the traditional kitchen in this village. The local people is also sell souvenir for you to take home, such as some food, hats, bag, Bali sarung, and a special drink from Penglipuran. So, it's called Loloh Cem-cem. Loloh Cem-cem is a traditional drink from Penglipuran made in cem-cem leaves. The taste is very natural, refreshing, and slightly sour. The house is also built neatly lined up. In the yard, they plant various of its flowers so it looks beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, this village has a big temple that overlooks a village at the end of the stone road. And if you want to take a picture, you can take picture outside of the temple. Ladies and gentlemen, not only culture, art, and beautiful natural landscape, the bamboo forest is the one of the destination in this traditional village. It is very important for this village because bamboo is used for building house, making handcraft, and supporting the ceremonies. In this place, you can enjoy the cool breeze and musical sound of the leaves. However, even though Penglipuran is very beautiful, there is a small issue that we should pay attention to. Nowadays, the number of tourists visiting is increasing every year. Sometimes some visitors do not follow the rules, such as littering, making noise, or entering private areas without permission. So, what can we do to help solve this problem? As good visitors, we must always keep clean environment by throwing rubbish in the trash bin. And then, we must respect for the local culture and tradition in this village by following the rules. If you want to enter someone's house, please ask permission first. By doing this simple thing, we must help preserve Penglipuran village for future generation. Overall, Penglipuran village is a perfect tourist destination for visitors who want to have a traditional Balinese culture experience and admire the natural beauty of the island. Ladies and gentlemen, finally we have come to the end of our journey in Penglipuran village. This village is not only beautiful but teaches us about harmony, culture, and respect for nature. I hope you enjoyed this tour and gained a wonderful experience today. Thank you very much for your attention and participation. Have a great day and take a rest of your trip in Bali. See you!